Hey everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the uses of virtual data room service. What is a virtual data room? A virtual data room is a secure online repository for storing and sharing confidential documents. Virtual data rooms are typically used during mergers and acquisition documents. Virtual data rooms are typically used during mergers and acquisitions, fundraising, and other business transactions where multiple parties need to have access to sensitive information. What are the uses of virtual data room service? Virtual data room can be used for a variety of purposes, including M&A. Virtual data rooms are commonly used during M&A transactions to provide buyers with a secure and convenient way to conduct due diligence. Fundraising. Virtual data rooms can be used by companies that are raising money from investors to provide investors with a secure and convenient way to access information about the company. Litigation. Virtual data rooms can be used by lawyers to store and share confidential documents related to litigations. Complaints. Virtual data rooms can be used by companies to comply with various regulations that require them to store and share confidential information. Other business transactions. Virtual data room can be used for a variety of other business transactions such as joint ventures, licensing agreements, and real estate transactions. Here are some specific examples of how virtual data room service can be used. A company that is selling its business, you can use a virtual data room to provide potential buyers with access to confidential information about the company, such as financial data, intellectual property, and customer list. A company that is raising money from investors can use a virtual data room to provide investors with access to information about the company, such as its business plan, financial projection, and management team. A lawyer can use a virtual data room to store and share confidential documents related to a lawsuit, such as discovery documents and expert reports. A company can use a virtual data room to comply with regulations that require it to store and share confidential information, such as the General Data Protection Regulations and the California Consumer Privacy Act. Benefits of using virtual data room service. There are a number of benefits to using virtual data room service, including security. Virtual data rooms offer a high level of security for confidential documents. Data is encrypted at rest and in transit. Virtual data rooms typically have a number of other security features in place, such as access control and audit trails.